Somewhere beneath the dust of forgotten worlds lie the whispers of life that time tried to erase. For billions of years, Earth has buried its memories. Storms, oceans, creatures, everything turned to stone. But sometimes, by pure chance, nature leaves us a perfect clue. A fossil so rare, so impossibly detailed that it captures not just the body, but the moment. These are not just old bones, they are messages from time itself, fragments of evolution, disaster, and survival. Today, we will explore the rarest fossils ever discovered, relics that defy science, logic, and imagination. From creatures trapped mid-birth to forests turned to crystals, and even ancient human frozen in tragedy. Number 1. The eternal battle. The only dinosaur in history frozen mid-fight. Deep in the Gobi Desert, Mongolia, 1971. Paleontologists made one of the most haunting discoveries ever seen. Velociraptor and Protoceratops locked in combat. The raptor's claw buried deep in its enemy's throat. The herbivore's beak ripping its attacker's arm. Then suddenly a sand dune collapsed, burying them both alive in an instant. For 80 million years they remained that way, trapped forever in a moment of death. It is one of the few fossils in existence that captures action, not aftermath. A frozen snapshot of violence and survival from a world long gone. Number 2. Creatures in amber, live trapped in gold. Now imagine this, a drop of tree resin drips down a trunk, an insect gets caught, and that drop hardens. Over millions of years, it turns to amber, a golden tomb for life itself. In Myanmar, scientists discovered something extraordinary, a dinosaur's tail, complete with feathers, preserved in amber for 99 million years. Another piece revealed a tiny lizard perfectly intact. You can see its skin, its claws, even its expression. In one shard, a tick filled with dinosaur blood. In another, a spider made attack. These are not fossils of death, they are fossils of life, perfectly preserved in microscopic detail. Amber has trapped moments that still breathe across time. Number 3. The ancient fish with a beating heart, the Gogo Formation fossil. In 2022, deep in Western Australia's Gogo Formation, scientists made a discovery that stunned the world. Inside a 380 million years old fish fossil, they found a perfectly preserved heart. The heart was so well preserved that scientists could see chambers, arteries, and even traces of ancient muscle tissue. This fossil pushed the boundaries of what we thought possible. Soft tissue surviving thousands of millions of years, it offered a glimpse into how our circulatory system began. Imagine that, a pulse that once beat 380 million years ago, still visible today. Number 4. The fossilized forest, when time turned trees to stone. In the deserts of Arizona, there stand a forest made of stone. These are not sculptures or rocks, they are trees. Trees that lived over 225 million years ago, when dinosaurs was just beginning to appear. Each trunk, root, and branch was slowly replaced by minerals like quartz and chalcedony, turning living wood into crystal. The result, a petrified forest, frozen in time. A world that once swayed with wind and rain, now standing still forever. These fossils don't just show us ancient life, they show us entire ecosystems preserved in silence. Number 5. The trilobite with crystal eyes. Long before dinosaurs, long before trees, the oceans were ruled by strange armored creatures called trilobites. But one fossil found in Czech Republic revealing something extraordinary, eyes made of pure crystal. These lenses were made of calcite, the same mineral used in modern optical lenses, perfectly engineered by evolution over 500 million years ago. The structure of these eyes is so advanced that modern engineers study them to design new cameras and optics. It's a reminder that nature was already mastering complexity half a billion years before humans even existed. Number 6. The human tragedy of Pompeii. Fossils of flesh and fear. Not all fossils belong to prehistoric creatures. Some belong to us. In the year 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted, burying the Roman city of Pompeii under volcanic ash. Thousands died instantly, their bodies encased in layers of ash that hardened over time. Centuries later, even excavators poured plasters into those voids. They uncovered ghostly human forms, the world's youngest fossils frozen in their final moments. They are not made of stone, but they show us with painful clarity how fragile life is in the face of nature's fury. Number 7. The pregnant ichthyosaur, birth frozen in time. Deep in the rock layers of China, scientists uncovered one of the most emotional fossils ever found. A pregnant ichthyosaur fossiled during childbirth. Her body contained several unborn babies, and one was halfway through being born when disaster struck. It's a moment so rare it defies comprehension. Life beginning and ending in the same instant. This fossil captures the eternal balance of existence, the beauty and the brutality of nature intertwined. Number 8. Stromatolites, the oldest fossils on Earth. While most fossils tell us about animals or plants, some go far deeper, to the origins of life itself. In the shallow water of Shark Bay, Australia, scientists found stromatolites, the oldest fossils known on Earth. These are not bones or shells, but living rocks formed by ancient bacteria nearly 3.5 billion years ago. They are the reason we even have oxygen to breathe today. When you look at a stromatolite, you are not just looking at the past, you are staring at the beginning of life on Earth. From crystal forests to the frozen battles, from insects in amber to hearts of stone, every fossil is a page from Earth's diary, a story of creation, chaos, and survival. The rarest fossils are not just scientific wonders, they are mirrors, showing us that everything alive today is part of the same ancient story. Life changes, species die, the planet transforms, but memory remains, written not in books but in stone. If this journey through time fascinated you, give this video a like and share it with someone who loves the mysteries of our planet. Subscribe for more incredible stories from Earth's deep past and tell me which fossil amazed you the most. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive because the Earth still has secrets waiting to be uncovered.